Hello everybody, welcome to my new YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make M&M Christmas bit cookies. Woohoo! So just gonna
level it out, make sure you... Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
in the blue one.
Yeah, in half. Yep. Yeah. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Okay, that one.
No, the orange one. No, that's a tablespoon.
That one.
No. No. Yes. Baking powder. 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Yep.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
Same.
Half a teaspoon of baking soda.
same.
No, half a teaspoon.
That one.
Yeah, that one.
So just
And 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
so it'll be
No, 1/4 teaspoon.
a big one.
No, the small one. No, that one. Yes, 1/4 teaspoon.
Pink salt. Pink salt.
Okay, just sieve. Okay, sieve that. Okay, just put that aside. You have to turn it off so we get the next ingredients ready.
What have you done?
So half a cup of butter.
Yeah, half a cup of butter. Get a knife and, yeah, a little bit more, just need to get a knife. We can use a spoon if you want, just spoon some more in.
Like that, Mum?
Yep.
So I put it in here.
Yes.
In here?
Yes. Get a knife.
Hold up. Yep. Yep.
Okay. Now you need half a cup of sugar, so that's
Okay.
sugar.
I'll just go with this. Oh, I can't open it.
Use a tea towel to wipe your hands. And wipe the top.
Yep.
Okay, yep.
Here's the side.
Okay, and a third of a cup of that brown sugar.
Okay. Yep.
Oh, a little bit more maybe.
I farted.
Okay. Now mix that all together.
I need a spoon.
Yeah.
So mix it all together.
Yep. So it's nice and creamy.
You're going to crack the egg.
Get into here to make sure.
It's good egg.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's not
Oh,
tapioca.
well, never mind. Okay.
Good?
Yep.
Yep.
Doesn't smell or
Just a
anything?
big egg, eh?
Good.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Put it in.
Put it in.
Yep. Mix it up. Okay, they're all mixed in. Then add the vanilla essence.
Okay. Is that all mixed up?
Yes, it's all mixed in. Okay, now you need a teaspoon. Use the bottle one. And the big, it's,
That one there?
no, the next one down. Yeah, that one. Okay.
Yeah, cookie.
You just see, yeah. Okay, yep. Okay, and the other one, teaspoon of that.
Same one?
Yep. Oh no, put your half teaspoon. Get your half teaspoon.
That one
No,
there?
the next one, yes, and scrape out some.
No.
Oh, well, get the knife and scrape it out. Yeah, get the knife, because that's pure. I'll tell you what, I'll put a little bit of hot water on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm going to make a hole.
Yeah, just add that and stir it all together.
I'm just going to make a hole.
Okay.
So now I'm just making this. Oops.
Okay.
I'm going to mix it.
Yeah, just mix it all together, then you mix in the M&Ms.
Mm. Oh shit. Right.
Made a mess. Yeah. Now go get the M&Ms, because you've got to put the M&Ms in. I don't want any more M&Ms, yours, that can be enough.
Up to you.
Let's see the cup. Balls of, oh, we've got an ice cream scoop. No, just, yeah, get it, yeah, big,
Like
okay,
that?
yeah, make it into a ball.
I use my hands.
Yeah, make it into a ball. Roll it into a ball.
There you go.
Now gently,
What?
1.5, gently, okay, make it into a ball, okay, gently press a few of those on top. No, just get to, oh.
Two?
Yeah, just get a couple, yeah. Just get it, you know, yeah, okay. Now,
Three?
yeah, just press them in.
Yeah.
Gently, few M&Ms on top of each dough ball. Press the top of each ball into the bowl of sprinkles. So just,
I'll just use
no, press it in.
the book these.
Yeah, and then to press the ball.
I know. Not really good.
There.
And
then just, yeah, because we're going to put them in the
oven.
Now we'll flatten them once they.
I know, I'm just
Okay, now do another one.
not really good doing this.
Yes, you are. Put it in a ball. Just roll it in a ball. Put some M&Ms on top.
How many I put on last time?
You put 3.
Okay.
Just put on top of the ball. No, get in your hands and do it. Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, just press them in. Now press the top of the ball in the sprinkles. Just turn it upside down. Yep. Press it in the sprinkles. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah.
Oh, didn't do 2.
Oh, it doesn't matter. And then just, no, yeah, because then we'll put them in the fridge and then we can flatten them. Oops.
Oh, yeah.
Just turn it off now. Okay.
Yeah. I can't let them. We
On the tray.
in here.
Yes. Okay. Turn it off now.
Oops. No. He's still there. Nice.
Now he's gone. They put them on the. Biscuits nice and round. As soon as they come out of the oven, you've got to get a biscuit cutter or a big glass and just go round them, and that's what makes the biscuits nice and round. Okay, like that. Okay. And then we just take them off.
Yummy.
And put the baking tray paper. Oops. There we go, and let them cool.
Thank you for watching how to make M&M Christmas cookies. If you guys want to try this recipe, the link down in the description down below. Ronnie is out. Subscribe, puts a notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye. They look yummy.